Hey there, I'm Sarah with WTI, and when it comes to socks, I do not fool around. What's important to me in socks? They have to be soft and comfortable, low cut so they don't show a lot, and there has to be no movement. I hate it when I'm wearing socks and they sneak down and leave my foot bare, especially inside my sneakers, but these socks have not done that. They are very soft. They fit really well. I love the colors, the variety, but most importantly, the fact that they are low cut. So there's not a ton of show when I'm wearing them, and they don't move. Whether I'm walking, whether I'm riding my bike, no matter what I'm doing, these socks are comfortable. They give me lots of cushion inside my sneakers, but they don't budge. That's so important to me. So if you're looking for comfortable socks that stay put, I think you'll be really happy with these. And that is my point of view.